All right, guys, we are here today with
Gabriel Cruz,
and he is going to do the world's first.
I'm gonna backside flip, which I mean, it's probably not the world's first, but I'll claim it. I'm gonna do a backside flip up this step-up gap, and it may look unassuming, but after not skating for 3 months, this thing is basically like doing a backside, like a kickflip indie on a vert ramp for me.
Straight up.
So we're just gonna take it slow. You know, we're gonna warm up a little bit, and I want to do a solid backside flip. Like I wanna get good pop, I wanna catch it, really get good full turn. I want it to be good, I want it to be something that I'm proud of.
You got it 100.
Let's go.
100.
But this, honestly, in terms of skate obstacles, this is one of my favorite skate obstacles probably on the planet.
Me too. We're out here at Napa skate park. Very, very good skate park.
It is.
The only thing wrong with it is that it's 1 billion degrees.
Yeah, it is October 6th and it is 100 degrees out today.
Celsius.
Who knows? But yeah, I think the first mission is really just getting a pop up this thing.
And I have yet to skate this. I'm really scared, but I think I'm just gonna have to push through and
You've been here before, right?
skate it. Oh yeah, I skated
right?
this, but with a broken foot, the newly broken foot.
Yeah.
We gotta stop making excuses though. The doctor said I'm 100% healed, but she said I'm not allowed to skate. I need to do physical therapy. And I said, you know what? I don't listen to no doctors.
I have to land this.
Yes!
I told you, the warm-up process is gonna be nice and slow.
I think he just straight bailed that. He fully had it. He fully had it, he just straight bailed at the last second.
Because I didn't start my skateboarding exercise on my Apple Watch. I want to see how many calories I burn. Start a skateboarding workout.
Yeah! It's been so long, it's been 5 months since I've been able to skate, and I gotta say, just being able to ride and just being able to do an ollie, a bad ollie, just the smallest ollie, feels so good.
You may be
feel like a
thinking,
little
he
kid
can't
again.
ollie it. How is he gonna backside flip it? I'm thinking the exact same thing. I already tried to flip it. All right, that will not happen again.
You got it, Gabe. Yeah!
Nice. All right, one more and then we're good. So I'm doing a skate workout on my watch to see how many calories I burn.
Oh yeah, sick.
But it's also a little timer. I want to land it within 20 minutes.
Easy money, you got this.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do one more ollie and then back 180.
Yeah.
Kick flip, backside flip.
Easy.
Gabe Cruz. Nice.
Funny thing about this step-up gap is like, it's a little bit abrupt where you go up and you feel like you want to pop up here, right? But it's like early, so you have to like prep yourself. And I think that's what's throwing him a little bit.
I just gotta find the right speed.
Yeah. There we go.
Backside flip might be easier than back 180.
It might.
Okay.
You got it 100%.
This is for you, my friend. I will not let you down.
Yeah, I like to hear.
It's feeling good. Feels better up the step up, like there's like less impact than on flat.
Well, I told Derek I was gonna land this, so I can't let him down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna imagine this is the backside flip, but it's only gonna be a back 180.
Yeah.
But same feeling. I have to land this.
Oh, boy! That was so good!
Got you, D.
I'm scared.
One more back one.
That was good, Gabe.
I know, just one more. Okay, so the thing is, even if you land like this, you're gonna land it. That's what I needed to realize.
That's true.
You really do kind of lose a feel, you know?
It's true. You do.
So, like we've been skating at San Mateo, which is all just flat.
It's true.
This is like a whole different
It's a whole different realm.
But it's okay, we got it.
I think I should challenge myself to do a back 180 and then to commentary every run of Gabriel Horacio Iglesias.
You know, I don't think it's too easy. I think it's just a big mental hurdle, so I will take you on that bet because if I land this, that means you have to overcome something.
Yeah.
So, and I'm happy with that.
Okay, I'm gonna do ollie, front 180, back 180.
Okay.
Dang, Gabe!
Land that front one.
Ollie, front 180, back 180. Okay, I'm waiting here for him. First try right here, 10 bucks. Oh, you had it! You had it!
Oh, did you see the,
Let me show you what happened there. Catch? No.
Did you see the bird arms of safety?
Went, ah! But it was perfect.
Okay.
Woo!
Right here, get ready for that back one, AK.
Let's go, boy. Let's go, Gabe.
My foot was on. There's a boat.
What the?
That's what I mean.
There is a boat.
There's a freaking boat.
Okay, that's the last thing I needed to see in my life. Ah! Ah!
Oh my God.
Let's
Okay.
go.
That's not happening again.
I can do it.
Fudge. My foot's just kind of getting held up on it, huh?
I think you're like, need to get in your mind to pop earlier. I feel like you're trying to pop later, but those earlier ones were so good. They were so perfect.
Yeah.
So I think you just put it in your mind, like I'm gonna pop early and get it.
Yeah. Fudge.
Woo, boy.
Uh-oh. I'm at 16 minutes. I haven't even done the kickflip yet.
Yeah, you got it.
That means I'll land the kickflip at 19 minutes and I'll do the backside flip in 1 minute.
Come on, Cruz, stop playing games. Should I just backside 180?
Yeah.
I feel like this is a trick that requires your back foot a lot. Where you're like popping up and then using your back foot to control. And I'm just not quite there with in my physical therapy journey.
I need to compose myself. I'm out completely over there.
Breathe, Gabe, breathe. Yeah. Derek, tell me I can't do it.
Can't do it.
Ah, dang it.
You know there was no commitment there.
I know. It's the opposite of commitment.
Gabe.
Gabriel,
Okay.
don't get mad.
I'm not.
No dark side.
Right here. Right here. Wait, stay right here. And then if this doesn't work out, you can tell me what my front foot's doing wrong.
Okay.
And what I'm doing wrong. And if it does work out, you get a front row seat to the show. And then you gotta do the back one.
Let me film it.
Okay. Yeah, I would like that, please.
Flick,
Dude, it looks so good.
and it's perfect.
I'm just scared,
You're
huh?
just bailing, yeah.
All right.
Straight up. Look at it suck up to the back foot. Look at that, Gabe. I cannot believe you. You land that right now. Let's go. That's good. That's a good looking kickflip.
Should I clean it up?
Yeah, or just go straight to the backside flip.
I feel like I'm gonna land this backside flip first tee. Okay, yeah.
Double flip.
Yeah.
Okay, I got a backside 180 this.
Oh yeah.
I won't let myself live
I
it down.
forgot about that.
Yes!
Yeah!
How did I land that?
I said back to back. I didn't say what order.
That's good.
Yeah, I got it. Good
It's
job.
looking like the backside 3 flip. Like how it spins all the way over, kind of like up and down.
Yeah, it was one of my better tricks. All right, we're at 29 minutes. I'm a little over schedule. It's okay. Derek believes.
What? That was it!
Oh my God, I'm such a failure. Not a failure, but this is taking way too long. And Derek's sitting there in jeans and a black t-shirt, and Aaron's in all black and a long sleeve and a hood. What
No
is
way,
wrong?
this is fire. I'd rather be here than anywhere else ever. This is the best. All right, you land it right here, I'll buy you a nice salad.
Oh yeah.
I'll buy you the nicest salad you've ever seen.
Let's go,
It'll be
baby.
the greenest greens, organic. Oh my! Beep! Beep, 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 beep.
The problem is I'm actually getting exhausted.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, put your weight on your right foot when you land.
Okay.
Heavy on the front foot and you're golden.
All right.
Yeah.
No! Dude, they feel so good.
They are so good.
Hey, Gene.
All right, Gene. Right here, you and me. Derek's not here, Aaron's not here. The skate park's not here, it's just you and me. Right here.
Yeah.
I let Gene down too. Who can I not let down? You know what? I'm gonna name drop. I'm gonna name drop fiance. That's right, people. I'm getting married. That's new.
Gabe Cruz gets married first try.
Hey, this is for my fiance, for my future wife. No, Jules, come on.
Come on now.
Aaron, can you do me one favor?
Yeah.
Can you do one try standing up like 20 feet this way?
Oh, like oh,
2 times zoom, a little further this way?
oh yeah, I got you.
Yeah, thank you. Yep, perfect. That's the one. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, right here.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Let's go, boys!
Let's go, it was that angle. Yes, I'm so sweaty, no hugs or anything but high five.
Shut up, no hug. I'll hug you when you're sweaty. I'll hug you when you're not.
Oh, let's go, D.
Yes, sir.
Woo!
All right, I
That's
told
good,
you.
you championed that.
That was okay, right?
That was excellent.
All right, I just, like I said, I wanted one I was proud of. I wanted to do it in 20 minutes, it took 45, but that's skating for you, you know? I'm just glad because that's something I haven't done in a while. So to be out here and to do that in this heat with that much adversity, the air, it was talking trash to me. It was like, you know what, it's hot.
And there's a freaking
There's a
boat
freaking boat.
in the field.
There was a boat, but hey, thank you for pushing me as always. I hope this inspired you guys. You don't see too many people at the skate park, so we gotta do a better job.
Get out there and learn how to ride
right.
a skateboard. You guys got it. Have fun.
See us at these skate parks, learn the trick for us. If you go do a backside flip at a skate park, tag me on Instagram. I'll check it out, repost it on the story, all that stuff. We're just pushing skateboarding as we've always have been, so we love you guys. Thank you.
We'll see you in the next video.